Now, one of the coolest features of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and 10 Plus is the camera. So if you love taking pictures like I do, you probably love sharing them too. This is EBPMAN Tech Reviews, and today I'm going to share with you 3 power tips that are going to help you master sharing photos on the Note 10 and 10 Plus. Let's get right to it. Now in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 hidden features that are going to allow you to share pictures and videos faster than ever before. We're going to look at Android Beam. We're also going to look at Wi-Fi Direct, and the last one is going to be link sharing. Let's get right to it.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available.
Now, Android Beam is a very convenient way to share anywhere from 1 to 3 photos. Now, you have to be close to the person, and NFC has to be on. So we're going to swipe down here, and we're going to go swipe over to NFC. Now, if NFC is enabled, this will work with an Android phone, Google Pixel phone. It's really brand agnostic, so it doesn't matter what brand as long as it has NFC capabilities. So what you'll do is once you make sure that NFC is on both phones, you're going to go to the gallery, find the photo that you want to share, and then all you have to do is bring both phones together. Now watch what happens to this one once I push it next to it. It's going to say touch the beam, and then when you touch it, the beam is going to start, and you're going to see that this phone is now saying that there's an incoming beam. If when you put those 2 phones together, you don't get vibration feedback, you don't see that touch the beam come up, it's because one of the phones does not have NFC on or is not NFC capable. So this is going to work across all Samsung devices that had NFC capability. Now once the file comes across, or the image, you'll notice that you'll get a little complete message, and when I press tap to view, there's the image. Now the next method I'm going to share with you is called Wi-Fi Direct. Wi-Fi Direct is great when you want to send lots of pictures. So I'm talking about 25 pictures. Even video files will transfer really quick. And what is happening when you use Wi-Fi Direct, you actually create a secure connection or a network connection between 2 phones, and it uses Wi-Fi, which is going to be a lot faster. So let me show you how that works. Now in the phone that you're going to be sending the files from, all you have to do is select the images that you want to send. So I'm going to choose all these images, right? So these are 8 images that I'm going to send, and this could be video files as well. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the share button, and once I choose share, I'm going to scroll down until I see an option that says Wi-Fi Direct. Now you'll notice how here I have the Wi-Fi Direct option, and as soon as I choose it, I'm going to basically start searching for the phone. Now these phones are right now searching for each other in Wi-Fi Direct mode, and you notice that now they see each other. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap to connect. This one says that would I like to accept the connection? I'm going to say yes. And now all these files are going to come across. Notice how it says it's receiving. Now watch how fast this is. 7 files are going to come across, and you notice how quickly it goes. Done. That was super fast. Now this last method is a power method. I save this when I'm at either a baby shower, a wedding, a cotillion, whatever party you're at, where you're taking lots of pictures. And not only do you want to share it with one person, but maybe you want to share it with the entire table, with friends, with family. And this is going to give you the ability to share large files too. So this is going to create a link. Let me show you how link share works. Now the first step is to go to the images that you'd like to share. So let's pretend that we're going to share all these. I'm going to just cover these and these here. And let's pretend that there's just lots and lots of them. This could be 100 pictures. Really, it's not the number of pictures that you're sharing or videos, it's the size. So what we're going to do is we're going to do share. And then you're going to notice that there's an option here. Notice it says share large files up to 2 gig per day using link sharing. Now link sharing is going to require that you download a free app from the Galaxy Store, and once you've done that, in some cases you may have to update the app that you have if you've already done this before. The next step is just to tap that I want to do a link share, and then it's going to just prompt me that I'm going to upload this, and I'm going to say upload. And what it will do is it's going to take my images, the ones that I just took a picture of, those that I've selected, and it's going to upload them, and it's going to create a link that I can share. Now that link is going to allow you to share that link with multiple people. So notice, here's a link, how quickly it did that. Now this link, I can tap on the copy button, or what I could do is I can use either email, text messaging, any of the options here to send it to someone. That link is going to contain all of the photos in its original quality. So this isn't like doing a text message where the photo gets smaller. In its original quality, they'll be able to click on it and they'll be able to download all the photos. So guys, that concludes our power tips that are going to help you master photo sharing with the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 or 10 Plus. Let me know what you thought of this master tip in the comment area below.